Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In the last lesson, I explained an important difference between Japanese and English. Japanese divides the mouth into 5 spaces for vowels. English divides the same space into smaller pieces. Today, we'll focus on one sound, We spell it with ER, EAR, IR, or UR, like sister, certain, earth, earn, bird, thirsty, curly, turn. Many Japanese people pronounce it as a long ah, and katakana words usually write it that way. Shista, saten, asu. But that sound is very different from the sound that I make. Sister, earth, bird. Before, I told you that we can divide the space in the mouth to make vowels. To make this sound, we need to think about another part of your vocal tract. We need to think about the pharynx. The pharynx is a space at the top of your throat, behind your tongue. To make the English sound, we need to make this space narrow. I'll teach you 2 ways. One way is called bunched. Leave your tongue tip low and pull the middle of your tongue up and back. Here is an MRI video. My friend Donna will say the word dirt.
Dirt. Dirt.
You can see the tip of her tongue stays down and the middle goes up and back.
Dirt. Dirt.
Another way is called retroflex. The tip of your tongue goes up and the whole tongue goes back. Here's an MRI video. This one is a great scientist named Mark Tiede. He will say the word dirt.
Dirt. Dirt.
You can see the tip of his tongue goes up and the whole tongue goes back.
Dirt. Dirt.
Dirt. Dirt. Let's practice some phrases. Are you sure that's the word? Are you sure that's the word? Turn right at the next curve. Turn right at the next curve. Let's walk to work. Let's walk to work. Notice these are different. It never hurts to talk to a Turk. It never hurts to talk to a Turk. I'm learning about worms. I'm learning about worms. It's worth discussing further. It's worth discussing further. We are the world. We are the world. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. In the next lesson, you will learn about double vowels, also called diphthongs. Thank you. Bye-bye.